Here I'm going to be demoing my midterm project. The website is Urban Water Races, and it looks, so here I'm on the homepage. I'm just going to demo the functionality first. So I see that this is about open water swim races, and there are a bunch of races here. So I'm going to click on one to get started. Okay, cool. Then I'm going to explore some more races that are in New York. It linked me to a search results page with some more races, so I can click on this one. Again, I can go see more. Let's try searching. So seems like there's some SAA ones. So I'll search SAA, and it looks like a few SAA results. So there's this one. Okay, cool. And let's search on a few more fields. So I searched already on SAA, so maybe if I search on distance, search 1 mile. Okay, cool. So I search by 1 mile, and I get a bunch of results that have swim races, which are 1 mile long, which is super helpful, actually. Let's try another one. Let's try if I can search. Yeah, okay, I can search a little more fine-grained areas. Looks like this one's in Brooklyn, so cool. I can search that as well. And then let's try something that maybe won't return anything. Don't think there's anything in Utah. All right. Cool. Okay, so then let's go back here. Let's maybe search. I think there was one in Boston. So let's click on that, and this is the Wildfish Swim. So, okay. Let's see. We can also pull up another option here, and we'll just kind of pause here and take in the design. I think we have some clear conceptual groups here. This kind of key, maybe the most key information here is very prominent and darker and bold. There's only two kind of main buttons, so going to the race website, and go register there, and then like this kind of like segue to explore more races. Okay, so we've already kind of clicked around, so let's try editing something here. So let's say we find out that maybe the entry fee is $50 instead of $40. Okay, so we do that, and we go, and yeah, okay, the entry fee has been updated to $50. That's great. That takes us back to this page. All right, I see there's also this add race functionality, so let's try adding a race. I think, yeah, let's get some auto completion here from my browser. Just kind of zip through this a little bit. All right, created a new entry, new race. Great. So that's the information that I entered. Cool. And then if I go home, yeah, I can see that new race that I just created here, new race. There's a few other testing entries that I had done previously, but there's the new race there. I'll pause here on the home page again and see if there's anything else I need to go through. I think that, yes, so yeah, this kind of this logo brand image and name here bring me back to the home page as well. Okay, so let's also just show that we are using the alt tags for our images for accessibility. So yeah, we can see thumbnail of Grimaldo's Mile Swim Race there. Let's see this one. Yeah, thumbnail image of Pride Swim Manhattan Swim Race. Okay, so it seems like those are being used. That's good. And maybe switching over really briefly to the code. I won't have a lot of time to really go through it, but maybe just showing the server, if I can open that. So there's our data store, kind of everything gets updated in memory while we're running. The site is not an actual persistent data store, but here's the routes. So you can just see it's really only about 5 routes. So we have search, kind of our homepage, view, add, edit, et cetera, et cetera. And then this is Flash setup. So we do have kind of like templates and HTML templates, and then the JavaScript static files to fill in those templates, and that's kind of how it's set up. All right, well, there's Urban Water Races, my midterm project for UI design.